Hey, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Tuesday, the 12th of May 2020. It's 5:27 a.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done this morning on those charts. I did actually sleep in till 4:20, so a little bit late. Some strange dreams. Had my head scratching when I woke up, I tell you. Anyway, this is my watch list on the right. So these are the 12-hour charts. A new candle was at 4 a.m., which was 1 hour and 28 minutes ago. This is my watch list on the right. Anything you see in blue is what I've currently got trades on. Anything in orange, and in this case also in pink, is what I'm going to discuss in this video. Any ones you don't see highlighted, nothing happening. So we'll start with the Aussie USD. First cab off the rank. These are my buy signals, the blue lines. So the vertical blue and the horizontal blue are my buy signals. So you can see here, this is S1, sequence 1. I took a buy here. Already closed out partial. You can pause the video, read my notes. Already closed out half. Got a stop in place, which is this red dotted line. Had another buy in here, sequence 2. And it was taken up here. It's at a stop in place there. That got stopped out. So basically sequence 2 buy got stopped out for remaining buy for $1.29, which has been added to my profit to date. So those trades can go. I just leave the lines on the chart so you can see where I've stopped out. And I've already updated my notes. So all I've got now is the one buy trade on. And it's here with a stop in place just above there. This green line here, dashed line, is a big number, 60 cents on the Aussie USD. If you see blue trend lines like this, normally something that interests me. In this case, it's a nice little double top or resistance level. If you see green trend lines, normally signifies bullish divergence. Red trend lines, bearish divergence. So that's the buy stopped out on the Aussie USD. Now, this Swiss franc, Japanese yen, I'm in a couple of sequences. So sequence 1 starts over here with a buy. My sells are designated by red line, so buy blue, sell red. A lot happening, looks busy. Yellow lines are my break-even levels. Now here I've got one for a break-even level for sequence 1, which is all the trades here, and sequence, see on this candle here on sequence 2, on this candle, 2 trades would have been taken. So it would have been the buy on sequence 2 started at 109.885 and the third buy on sequence 1 at 109.882. So very close, just within a couple of pipettes, points. So it's just above the overall break-even levels. This bottom indicator is my MACD Platinum, and generally when it's below the 0 level, I'm looking, the 0 level is this dotted line. When it's below the 0 level, I'm looking to buy. When it's above the 0 level, I'm looking to sell. Now, as soon as it breaks the 0 level like it has here with sequence 2, I'm looking to take some action. Now, it's just above the overall break-even levels at the moment, and it's not enough to cover the swap, so I'm just going to watch it for a little while. But today, before 4 p.m., which is the new candle, I may close this trade. So I'm just giving you a heads up that I'm looking at closing all these trades. You can see the MAs, which is the 240, 100, and 50. They're all starting to spread to the downside. Price has gone back to them. MACD Platinum through the 0 level. Best probably just to close all these. So after this video, I might have a better, closer look at it and see how close the maths are. So it's a Swiss Japanese yen. Nothing done yet, but getting very close. Euro yen. All right, it's in a sell here. And that was taken at this level here, had a stop in place, and as you can see, it's a remaining sell. It was stopped out for $1.81, so that sell's no longer in play. That just leaves this buy trade in play now. So just get rid of those lines. Like I say, just leave the lines in the chart to show you whether it was stopped out. So we've just got the one buy now, and probably I'd say at 4 o'clock, looking at once this candle closes, again we're going high risk trade into the trend based on regular bullish divergence I'm going to be closing out half of this at 4 p.m. Hopefully it'll stay up there somewhere and put a stop in place probably below this low here or something like that. So that's the euro yen. Just the remaining sell was closed out. New Zealand CAD, which is now becoming my dog's breakfast trade, I call it. A lot happening on here. A lot happening. 4 sequences. So 1 starts over here. 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything's very tight, very flat. It's not too bad because I don't have far to move. But I did make a mistake here. I just noticed it this morning. The 4th sell was taken at 0.16. And the 4th hedge buy was taken at 0.10. Should have been 0.16. I stuffed up there. Made a note on my spreadsheet. Yeah, and all these trades on the 12-hour charts are recorded on the shared spreadsheet, as are my daily ones. That shared spreadsheet, the link to that is available via the description of the video. So everyone's more than welcome to look at that spreadsheet with all my results from all these 12-hour charts I call in these groups and in the video. So I made a mistake here. It should have been 0.16. So I've taken a 5th sell this morning, 85126. There's a sell signal. It's pretty hard to see. There's a red QMP filtered dot, which is these red and green dots on the chart. All they are is a visual aid. They're just a mixture of a combination of the MACD Platinum, which is this zero lag MACD on the chart, and also another indicator called the QQE Advance, which I don't need to display on the chart. So it has crosses. You can put it on the chart if you wish to have a look. It has a cross, so the cross of that and the dots on the MACD Platinum have to be in sync, and they give the signal. So that's just my visual aid. So there's a new sell signal up here. It's a bit hard to see. Everything's very tight. It's very ugly. So basically I took a 5th sell on sequence 1. I took a hedge sell on sequence 2. I took a 2nd sell on sequence 3. And I took a hedge sell on sequence 4. So 4 trades taken. I know it's a bit confusing. Overall break even and break even for sequence 1 is this yellow line. They're both pretty close. You can see overall break even 84505. Over here 84493. So they're very close. Hasn't got far to go for overall break even. This other yellow line up here is a sequence 3 break even at 84970. So ideally I just want to see price. Nice big resistance level up here. I want to see price head down. It's all very sideways, this New Zealand CAD. Since the coronavirus, which is overhit, well, this is the 20th of March, really, when the market started getting really affected by corona, this NZ CAD's been tough to trade. But we're getting there slowly, and we'll work it out. New Zealand Swiss franc. What have I done here that's got my attention? Sell. Or stopped out. There's a sell here. It was a sequence 2. No, sorry, sequence 2 buy. So it was here, this blue line. My apologies. It's in a buy, went up, closed half when it broke through the MACD Platinum, and it's rolled over, taking out my stop. I've already removed the stop, and there's $1.09 made on that, which has been added to the total. We've still got sequence 1 from hell over here, and overall break even's up there. So yeah, it's one I've just got to keep on working at. USD Japanese yen. Probably could have done a bit more with this, but this thing's just been going sideways. So I was in one sequence of trade: buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell, third buy. There was my overall break-even level. Price, the MACD Platinum through the 0 level, not that high above it. Could have probably got a little bit creative and closed, did a partial close. But we're going into these MAs. We've got this sort of resistance level here. I've just closed all trades on the USD Japanese yen, and that gave me a decent total profit of $47.05, and that's been added to the total. So all these lines can be removed. There's no trades on the Japanese yen at the moment. So that's clear. I can remove all these trades after I finish the video. So that's it, guys. As I said, I'm watching that Swiss franc Japanese yen. I might take some action on that before 4 p.m. this afternoon. Similar to the USD yen. Heading up nicely. A lot of these yen pairs are on the move because all three trades on the daily this morning were all buys on yen pairs, so that's it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you do like the video, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. And as I always say, everyone here that's on the YouTube channel is more than welcome to join the Facebook group or the Telegram group. And thanks for watching. We'll chat later. Cheers.